Welcome to our interior design tutorial on how to decorate a modern rustic bedroom. Today, we'll be using a variety of components to create a cozy and inviting space. Let's get started. To begin, assemble your bed frame, headboard, footboard, and side rails. Choose a rustic wood finish to maintain that charming, rustic look. Secure them together to create the perfect base for our design. Next, position your nightstand and dresser on either side of the bed. These pieces add functionality and style to your bedroom. The rustic wood texture complements our theme. Hang a rustic framed mirror above the dresser. Mirrors reflect light and make the room appear more spacious while adding a touch of rustic elegance. Now, let's address storage. Place a chest of drawers for clothing and accessories. For larger items, consider adding a wardrobe or armoire with rustic wooden doors. Create a cozy corner with a rustic vanity. It's a perfect spot for your morning routine. Add a matching bench for comfort. Our modern rustic bedroom also incorporates functionality. Use a nightstand with charging ports to keep your devices powered up overnight. Illuminate your bedroom with rustic-style bedside lamps. These provide warm and ambient lighting for a relaxing atmosphere. Add some personal touches to your bedside table. A small plant, your favorite book, or some decorative items can make it feel more inviting. Don't forget a bedside rug for comfort, and a blanket chest for extra coziness. Use rustic wall shelves to display your favorite decor items, books, or family photos. It adds character to your bedroom. Finally, complete your modern rustic bedroom with cozy bedding. Consider earthy tones and textures. If you desire a romantic touch, install a rustic bed canopy for added charm. And there you have it, a beautifully decorated modern rustic bedroom using these wonderful components. Remember, the key is to balance functionality with style. Thanks for joining us today, and happy decorating!